Hey guys, what's up? Since you're here, I might as well give you a tutorial on our big dance. There are a few frequently asked questions that have been going around, and I just want to clarify those for you tonight. The first one is, what directions you go in for any of the moves. And all of the moves, you go to your own right. Okay, so when you do the step touch, you should start going to your right. When you do the hip, you start on your right. When you go up, it's up to your right. And when you punch first to your right with your left hand. Okay, just to go over it. So the first move is step touch. And this is done throughout the chorus, usually 2 counts of 8, sometimes it varies. The next step is the hip. Now starting on your right, it's right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, and then you do it again for another count of 8. The next step is where we wax up, 2, 3, 4, and down to the left. Don't forget to smile for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and down, 2, 3, 4. The last step is to punch. Punch it to your right first using your left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then for each group, you ride the pony until the chorus starts again, and then the next group comes in on the step touch. Now we're all doing this on the dance floor. Some of you might have thought you were doing it at your seat. No, you join in when it's your group's turn. So you should be standing around the dance floor as we come in. Okay, now if there are any other questions out there, please let me know. Later.